Sasakay kami dito sa... We're going to... Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. Because they tell me that it is a surprise for me. So it is because a surprise. So I don't know where we're going. We're here already at the car, inside the car, with yeah, with my pamangkin and my sister.
Hello guys.
Ayan, naka ano na agad siya. Naka-sunglass na agad siya. And this is, dito yung aking baby. Hindi ko pwedeng ipakita. Si Malikot. Oh.
What's this?
Say hi.
What's this?
We're waiting for them.
Round and round. Wheels? Wheels.
Hindi ba kami nakakarating? Ano, stress na kami.
Come here.
Ay, you take your milk. Yeah, so that is your milk. I will drink that.
Give auntie.
You give it to auntie. You give it to auntie. This is my apo.
Mimi.
You see? Kamukha ko. Because his father is my male version. Yung tatay niya, male version ko. Kamukha ko. Okay, yung apo ko, medyo kamukha ko rin. Surprise daw eh. Kaya hindi namin alam kung saan kami dadalhin. Tignan mo naman mga itsura namin, puting-puti. Ayan, di pa kami nag-move kasi meron pa silang binibili sa tindahan. And look at my apo. Kung ano-anong kinakalikot niya. Wait, I show you. Enough. What's that? It's an umbrella. Mamaya natusok ako. Ganyan siya ka. Behave. Tumatawa din siya. He is also laughing. Ganyan siya ka-behave. Meron siyang payong. And I'm so scared. Maybe that umbrella will poke me. Okay, that's all. Bye-bye. Mamaya naman. Wala, hindi pa kami nakakaalis. Oh. Ang init talaga. Sobra. Ay, tao siya ng tao. Bye-bye.